We have some breaking news about this guy. According to his attorney, Thomas Dickey, police in Altoona, Pennsylvania, on the day of his arrest, obtained his DNA illegally. Now, bear in mind, this is in addition to Thomas Dickey's argument that the entire arrest, from the search, the seizure, to taking him into custody, detainment, was all illegal because apparently he had been a suspect for 20 minutes and nobody ever informed him of his rights. Now, the way that they obtained his DNA was that while he was at the police station, they gave him something to eat and drink and were able to get the DNA off of that. So here's a pro tip. If you're ever hauled in, don't ever take anything that they give you. But here's where the argument gets really good on Thomas Dickey's part. He's arguing that since the search, the seizure, and the detainment were all illegal, that if they get thrown out, the DNA should get thrown out as well because they gave him that food and that drink for investigative purposes for the sole purpose of getting his DNA. Therefore, if everything else gets thrown out, it needs to go too. Now, if Thomas Dickey is successful in making this argument and a judge agrees and throws all this out, this is a huge blow to the prosecution in New York as well because all the evidence that was seized will not be allowed or not be admissible in court. Anyways, we are following this very closely. Make sure to hit that follow button if you don't already. Drop your thoughts about this one in the comments, and I will probably break this down on my Substack a little bit later if you want to follow me there. Link is in the bio.